Herbal teas have been around for centuries. They are made from dried fruits, flowers, spices, or herbs. This means herbal tea can come in a variety range of taste and flavors and make a tempting alternative to sugar beverages or water. In addition to being delicious, some herbal teas have health promoting properties as well. In fact, herbal teas have been used as natural remedies for a variety of ailments for hundreds of years. Interestingly, modern science has begun to find evidence supporting some of the traditional use of herbal teas as well as some new ones. Hello viewers, welcome back to this healthy episode of Nuru Veda. Today we are featuring 8 of the best herbal tea for a healthy and disease-free life. From anxiety to diabetes, constipation to blood pressure, we will see how this herbal tea can help you. So, let's get started. Number 1. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is most commonly known for its calming effect and is frequently used in sleeping aid. In one study of postpartum women experiencing sleep issue, drinking chamomile tea for 2 weeks led to improved sleep quality and fewer symptoms of depression. What's more, chamomile may not only be useful as a sleeping aid, it is also believed to have antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and liver protecting effects. One study also found that chamomile tea reduced symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, while other study in people with type 2 diabetes saw improvements in blood glucose level, insulin and blood lipid levels. Number 2. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is one of the most commonly used herbal tea in the world. While it's most popularly used to support digestive tract health, it also has antioxidant, anti-cancer, antibacterial and antiviral properties. Several studies have shown that preparation of peppermint tea can help relieve indigestion, nausea, and stomach pain. Evidence also shows that peppermint is also effective in relieving symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Therefore, when you experience digestive discomfort, whether it be from cramping, nausea, or indigestion, peppermint tea is a great natural remedy to try. Number 3. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is a spicy and flavorful drink that packs a punch of healthy disease-fighting antioxidant. It also helps fight inflammation and stimulates the immune system. But it's most well known for being an effective remedy for nausea. Studies consistently find that ginger is effective at relieving nausea, especially in early pregnancy. Although it may also relieve nausea caused by cancer treatment and motion sickness as well. Evidence also suggests that ginger may help prevent stomach ulcer and relieve indigestion or constipation. Ginger may also help relieve period pain. In fact, studies found ginger to be as effective as ibuprofen at relieving period pain. Number 4. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is made from a colorful flowers of the hibiscus plant. It has a pink-red color and refreshing tart flavor. It can be enjoyed hot or iced. In addition to its bold color and unique flavor, hibiscus tea also offers healthful properties. For example, hibiscus tea has antiviral properties even against bird flu. This tea also shows a positive effect on high blood pressure. What's more, another study found that taking hibiscus tea extract for 6 weeks significantly decreases your oxidative stress considerably. Be sure to avoid drinking hibiscus tea if you are taking diuretic medications, as the two may interact with each other. Hibiscus tea may also shorten the effect of aspirin. Number 5. Sage tea. Sage tea is well known for its medicinal properties, and scientific research has begun to support several of its health benefits, especially for brain health. A number of studies have shown that sage is beneficial for cognitive function as well as potentially effective against the effect of plague involved in Alzheimer's disease. Moreover, sage appears to provide cognitive benefits for healthy adults as well. A number of studies found improvement in mood, mental function, and memory in healthy adults after they drink sage tea for 1 month. Number 6. Lemon balm tea. Lemon balm tea has a light lemony flavor and seems to have health promoting properties. In one study, people who drank lemon balm tea for 2 months have improved elasticity of the arteries, which thereby decreases your risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and mental decline. In the same study, those who drank lemon balm tea also had increased skin elasticity, which typically tends to decline with age. Another study found that drinking lemon balm tea twice a day for 1 month increases your body's natural antioxidant enzymes, which help to protect your body from oxidative damage to your cells and DNA. Furthermore, a number of studies have shown that lemon balm improved mood and mental performance. Lemon balm tea may also offer a number of potential health benefits and would make a good addition to any herbal tea collection. Number 7. Rose hip tea. Rose hip tea is made from the fruit of the rose plant. It is high in vitamin C and beneficial plant compounds. These plant compounds, in addition to certain fats found in rose hips, result in anti-inflammatory properties. Several studies have looked into the ability of rose hip to reduce inflammation in people with rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. Rose hip may also be beneficial for weight management, as one 12-week study in overweight people found that taking rose hip extract resulted in decreased BMI and belly fat. Rose hip's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effect may also help fight skin aging. One preliminary study found that taking rose hip powder for 8 weeks reduced the depth of wrinkles around the eyes and improved moisture and skin elasticity of the face. No wonder rose hip is used in some of the most premium beauty products. Number 8. Passion flower tea. The leaves, stems, and flowers of the passion flower plant are used to make passion flower tea. Passion flower tea is traditionally used to relieve anxiety and improve sleep, and studies have begun to support these uses. For example, in one study, it was found that drinking passion flower tea for 1 week significantly improved sleep quality scores. It was also found that passion flower was reducing anxiety as effective as an anti-anxiety modern medication. In Ayurvedic cultures, Indian monks and hermits used passion flower tea for meditation for centuries. That's it for today. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest update on the video. If you have any suggestion, write to us in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.